Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use Google Calendar offline and then sync changes later. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So maybe you are at some place where you don't have the access to the internet, but you want to work on your calendar. Then Google Calendar basically offers a very interesting features where you can use it completely offline, and you can make new events or you can update existing events as well, and when you come online, then it will automatically sync changes for you. So first of all, you have to enable the offline option here. Okay, so you will click on settings menu, then click on settings here, and under this general tab here, you can see here it is saying offline. So just click on this one, and now here you need to check this box where it says turn on offline calendar. Okay, and then tap on this one, and now here it says that offline changes are now saved. So applying this change requires a reload, so just reload it now, and now your offline calendar is good to go. Now what this will do is that when you don't have the access to internet, you can visit this website where it says calendar.google.com, and you can sign in with your Gmail account there, and you can basically make new events or you can update existing events, and when you come online, then it will automatically sync with your calendar here. So basically that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.